street?
Commercial street.
Where are we going there?
We are going to shopping
For what shopping?
for my birthday.
For your birthday?
Yeah.
When is your birthday?
July 5th.
July 5th.
Yeah.
Advance happy birthday.
Thank you.
Now you should buy me chocolate.
Yeah, sure.
What are we gonna buy there?
Shoes. We are going to look for shoes
Ah,
and fake nails.
we'll buy one Jordan and come. You have enough money, no, for
Yeah,
Jordan?
I have 1.5 lakh is the budget.
Hmm.
So we'll
1.5 lakhs will not get that nice Jordan.
Hey,
You get
but-
fake ones, but fine.
Yeah. Air 2 is enough. Air 1 and all no need. Air 2 is enough.
Air 2.
Yeah.
Hey, Air 2, everyone has Air 2. Da. You should buy that. Max.
We'll
Air Max.
Air Max 2 will be.
Ah,
Or Air 2 Max, whatever it is.
yeah. Correct.
180, 1.85 will be. Little ऊपर नीचे is enough. It's okay.
We'll do a discount little.
Yeah. 80 also. 50% discount will give.
That fellow's loss should not happen. No, stand.
Yeah, exactly. We should also not be like Papa and all.
Also, we'll give him this bike.
Yeah.
While coming, I'll ride bike, okay? Huh?
Hey, here, no need.
Hey, here. Hey, from metro to here, full Ali will see.
Yeah, police will do that. Shut up.
I am full free rider. I can escape. This week I'm going down
Where?
for car.
Yeah.
Scooter.
Yeah. You be careful, don't accelerate.
Hopefully we'll see that fellow will give car or I should use my car.
He will give it up.
He'll give his car, no? So accident means his car will come down.
Hey, mental. He will see you like it.
Fine then. Okay, so from here where are we going now?
They have basically just going to Jared Boss. We could have gone to commercial street directly, but we are not eating yet. I mean, you are eating, but we don't have license yet.
Okay.
So from Jared Boss, we'll take metro.
From metro where will we go?
MG Road, first MG Road. And according to this Instagram so-called reels, they have told they have made a stop for commercial street also. So let's see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Meet you in the metro. Okay. So we are at parking of metro. The weather is very nice, da. Cloudy. It's not very hot.
Not hot, not cold.
Where's that Iron Man bike, da?
Iron Man.
It was. See this one. What is this bike, da? Whitley pen. What is it written? Wilty pen.
Multi-pen.
Whitpillen. What is this, da?
VIP bike.
VIP bike. Some Japanese bike only it's looking there.
VIP plane.
RR 310. Hey, what is this? All race.
Hey, one more da.
Whitpillen. What is this bike, da?
Is even illegal in India?
I don't know. Some new technology only. This is not. I'm seeing only first time like that bike.
Exactly, that is two.
You know how much it will cost from here till that place?
Yeah, 54 something.
54 each or both?
Sorry, 40,000.
Both or?
For purpose.
I'll pay off then in cash, sir. Hopefully that person has changed.
See them.
Sometimes no, they'll what to say?
Or just take from phone itself.
Not from phone itself.
My phone. I'll just use my UID.
Who has hotspot?
That's one of them.
We both don't have internet. We came.
Now it's a book of the company.
What?
Now it's a book. We'll buy the tickets.
Tickets will pay in cash. No, you save the internet. Don't simply use off.
Yeah.
You have to give some.
No, yeah, we can actually get the change.
What happened? Okay guys, I'll meet you inside. Where are we now? What are we doing?
Looking for shoe store.
Shoe store is there no behind only. Hey, come, we'll go ask that guy only.
No, but come here. Eat this one.
He'll give off in Sasta also, I think. You don't open like that. Photo is there no enough.
He'll see the price and he's like either 1,500 में तो 2 साल में दूंगा ना
I'm telling you, just show that photo only. And
Wait.
bro, you leave. Come, show like that only. Show like that only. Ashta.
Wait, let it open that please.
Don't open full.
Your price is showing. I like it like this.
Cover the price. Show.
Wait. Let it open.
If it doesn't open, simply basically will happen.
Wait. Basically, no fuck this net bro.
Hey, show like that, simply.
Wait, please.
Go on, bro. Basically, you did off in front of everyone.
He told that girl ida.
What?
He was honest actually.
What he told?
उस गली में मिलता है एग्जैक्ट वाला उस गली में लेट मी क्रॉस द रोड ब्रो ये एग्जैक्ट वाला उस गली में मिलता है
Yeah, bro. Which gully?
वो मेरे गली में the other side
There it's there, huh?
yeah
If it's not there,
एग्जैक्ट मिलता है अंते मैं नहीं मैं लगान मारूंगा इसका भाई
he told exact. Or you are telling exact.
स्टेट की इस तरह मिलेगा आई मीन ऐसा वाला मिलेगा
Yeah. Hey, go here.
दिस इंडस्ट्री what is in there
Industry. Hey, Boots and Boots.
what is it wedding cards
Hey, go to Boots and Boots, da. I think you'll get. Really, da.
they will ask 2-3k
Let him ask. You have no so much money.
I have 1.5 lakh I have 1.5
What?
lakh
Lakh,
They're
no?
charging only 20-30
1,000.
yeah
Where are we going there? Come this side first. Left side you come. You're not coming in frame only. Which place is this there?
this is called commercial street
Commercial Street.
Kanraj Road
Half
Or
the
what is
place is
Kamasak
filled with.
Road?
Half the place is filled with Muslims.
Exactly.
Middle one temple and all is there.
forgot Asim da
Oi, right side. Hey, this one only, no?
no
Hey, right side only shop is there, no shoe shop.
this shop is there but not this side
This only,
Go the
da.
other road
You want ladies' shoes only, no?
wait one minute wait आराम से go
This one only.
wait आराम से
This one only.
no
Why no?
sir this road
Oh,
we got the shoes there
full shoes only, da. Full shoes. Oh, this one. Hey, this one. Ask the person. Hey, down one is looking good, da.
down there
Down one was looking good.
wait take a breath
This whole place is only filled with shoes. Hey, this right one. Look at this.
no see that up but hey all run open
Yeah,
अंकल
shoe.
ऐसा वाला शूज है
ऐसा वाला ऐसा वाला नहीं है दूसरा वाला निकाल
नहीं वैसा वाला नहीं है
वो वाला कितने का है?
दूसरा
ये वाला
400 रुपये
400 का है.
400 तो डालो मजा करो ऑफर है
ऐसा वाला एक भी नहीं है क्या ये वीडियो
वो
क्यों
सीधे
बना रहा है?
कमर्शियल जाना पड़ेगा
ये
कमर्शियल
ऐसे ही.
किधर होता
कमर्शियल जाना आगे रोड है 2500 3000 रुपये है वो जूता ये वाला ये दे दें 400
नहीं।
रुपये
Ask them that they won't leave you until you take that.
Hey, Raj daughter, why are you making video? And hey, that was looking good, bro. Left side.
The right side.
Ah, it was actually looking.
I'll ask him.
Scene से.
ठीक है इसके सिमिलर होता है
कलर भी
Scene से.
कितने रेंज
कलर डिफरेंट है
रेंज कितने
वो भारी का है 600 हमारे पास भी भारी का 600 1000 तक पड़ेगा 1500
तो हार्ड रहने का
क्वालिटी हार्ड है छो इंपोर्ट है इंडियन कॉपी नहीं है
अच्छा
Personal vlogger.
कम यार
Okay, so guys, we got the shoes. We got shoes, yes or no?
फेकनेस है क्या कहाँ मिलता गाड़ी का नाम है शुक्र है गाड़ी में I didn't tie my laces down.
You told Shukra, you know.
That's what they say.
It's Shukriya, not Shukra.
In Hindi Shukriya.
Then in what? Talk in Malayalam, no, to them.
Yeah, Malayalam.
Hmm?
Yada mone.
Paiti.
Hey, check it for the shoes. It fit in my bag. Why to hold it?
Mad you are.
I don't know.
You have seen your bag. My hand also won't fit correctly in your bag. This is his bag. See, that 5 book, 1 maths textbook won't fit there, you know.
Exactly. My accountancy book. Hey, wait, come.
Okay, now it's here also we are getting wet only.
Actually, the same thing. No?
Big safe you became, no?
Young amma good. I'll achieve summer. Hey, actually, it's not anything. Let's actually wait.
Simply we got stuck here. See, we got shoes. Which shoes we got for you?
We got Puma Classico.
453X.
What's 5.3x? That's 7.5 lakh, you know. But discount 6.5 lakh. Hello? Come Reebok. Company sports day. Actually 2.2 बोल दे ऑफर दे boots and अंगड़ी अड्जस्ट कर చాలా ఇష్టం అది గట్టి ఉంది బాగా అవును గట్టి ఉంది నీకు వచ్చి చూపిస్తే గట్టి ఉంది అది రీబాక్ ది ఒక ఇది ఉంది పార్ట్నర్షిప్ స్పోర్ట్స్ అనేసి దాన్ని మానస అంగల్ తీసుకొని మీటే వస్తాం పనుకోబో బాయ్
What? Reebok did partnership with sports?
My dad is asking, is it company wala? Is it company wala?
What Reebok did? Reebok did partnership with sports.
What should I say then? You should show the shoes. Wait, no, where to go now?
Reebok did partnership with sports vendor. Which year you tell?
This is good one, you know.
No. How much did it cost you?
It cost me 7.5 lakh. I mean, it's not expensive, but yeah.
Yeah,
With
for
this
sure.
phone, we got it for 6.5 lakh.
Come, let's go. Come, we'll go. Come down, Maza will come. Okay, and you know what? Now see, because of me, we saved 8.5
Lakh, yeah.
Sorry. Come.
Go where?
I don't know, simply come.
Even the guy told in some Gadi is
Hey, Baba footwear.
in the fake wheels is what? Wait, where to find the fake wheels?
In my
He
house.
told in some Gadi is there, one guy.
See, whoever is sitting in Gadi will go to them. That you leave.
It's search for fake nails, yeah.
Now see, we saved 850 rupees, no?
Hey, 850 lakh? What the fuck you talking, nigga?
So now to give what to say, to compensate.
Yeah.
Compensate means you know, no?
Yeah.
If one side you do plus other side you should do to balance, no?
Yeah.
So now we'll buy 850 rupees ka uta.
What I want? Perfect biryani get you. Nama tamma gamma Taj hotel will go come down.
850 rupees.
Just get the Taj nails and the two fake nails. Oh, the rain is actually hitting hard.
Yeah, now I got to know.
What, bro, you broke or what?
Fuck bro, it's raining too much now.
Exactly. Search for the fake nails, yeah.
It's in my house there.
House. Let's go to your house then.
Hey, come straight. Main road is there. I think there will be there. It became less, huh?
Actually.
Hey, this is Cosmetic Color Road. Come, this is Ladies Road.
Actually, huh?
Where to see for
We got
fake
the
nails?
card.
Which card?
I gave the card.
Which card?
We got the card. Ping.
Hey, we came here not at that time. Oi,
I don't remember the way we came where you're going.
oi, Niga, we came this side that time only. And we went
We
off.
search for some hotel with let's go. Get into the ship.
Hotel went behind only actually.
Yeah, bro.
Uh-huh. Hey, we'll eat after something. Afterwards, we'll do
Yeah, exactly.
these ladies things, no?
Yeah.
Oh, pizza is there. Come, we'll see.
You want to eat pizza?
US pizza.
You Muslim, you want to eat pizza, bro?
Then what you want to eat?
Biryani, bro.
Biryani mood illa kano.
Mudu,
No.
you want pizza?
Yeah, come, let's see. Fridays are for sale. Today is a fucking Friday. Come,
Cheese is for the cheese blast.
come. We'll go cheese blast to
It's
leave.
not good.
Oh, Charan, see
They're so
da.
dumb that they're actually getting wet. I mean, not even doing anything.
See da, friend. This thing is also there.
What thing?
Green color car. Is that a Lamborghini? Is it an Audi?
Aventador. None of the above. Bugatti.
Hey, ask here. You ask. No one is there only.
हमें fake nails है क्या? Fake nails. Fake nails.
Straight, you see? Straight, you see? Hey, no, that is art and craft. Leave. Come this way.
Let's go to McDonald's.
Where's McDonald's?
This right side.
Come. Anyways, if you are paying, I'll not say no,
Yeah,
bro.
I mean, I don't have a
No, you have. I saved your 850 rupees. It was good, bro.
Let's book some biryani room on the.
Now the mood is not that. I ate and came, no? What the McDonald's was there? That also we left off because of you. Chhi. Thu. Oh, police station. I'll arrest you, bro, here.
Unit of boot 70% off.
Mega brands. Search your ladies ka thing. I'll tell you what. This fake nails and all, no. You can find in this KG Ali and all only.
Actually,
Mati Kere KG Ali.
those are not actually original fake things.
The name is only fake, and that you want original fake, no?
Burger King will go.
Come.
Popper.
Now we'll eat. Come. I'm not. If you go, I'm not coming behind you. Come. Oh fuck. We came just to escape the rain bill thing. Okay. We got everything, no? What all did we get?
We got. Yeah, we got.
What we got?
Shoes and the fingernails.
Fingernails, sir.
Yeah.
Fake nails, no, or something.
I mean, yeah, fake nails. Because of this guy,
And we also had a burger on the way. Yeah, that and all I've heard that if you put little bit, not permanent, that little if you put for some 1 week it'll be there in your shirt only.
I will get it then.
That's like super strong wala perfume.
Let's get it then.
Come, let's get it.
Pick it up and
Charan,
what does this mean, Nakambe? I'll go to naked. What does it mean? What? You read it, no? Ask what is naked, what does it mean?
Charan, I'll tell you something. You should not do one thing. Show off. See right side? Show off. You should not do show off.
I got my hoodie there.
You got what?
Hoodie.
What hoodie?
They sell really good hoodies there.
Where?
Show off.
Yeah, I also want one hoodie. Jeweler Street. We should have gone here.
Jealous.
Not jealous.
Jewelry.
That you are.
Go tomorrow, ask him. 550 running coming.
Okay, now tell. On the way while going back to metro, can we see any good car?
Yeah.
Like how while coming we saw.
We saw two. Mustang. BMW Z4.
Okay, now can we see? How many can we see?
I guess two.
2 or? 2 is too much, not I think.
1 minute 50. If you want anything to say,
Why does that sound like some kidnapper telling?
Exactly. Like
You have 1
before
minute to
dying,
speak.
1 minute to who do you want to talk?
Last wish.
Last is Icha. Krish.
Oh.
Look at this guy and look at his girlfriend. Amazing, bro. Amazing, bro.
Black and white.
Living his life.
There is some proper some Bihar.
ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलना चाहिए.
Some Bihari only is done.
Exactly, man. 500 के रहते हैं.
Hey Charan, go and buy something from here. Huh? Buy off no something.
परके उधर परके है ना मेरा. You know the park, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
उसके बाद बच्चे नहीं मिले.
Hey, come, let's go to some out of Aukat place.
And we like
We'll go inside.
ask for this is too small, too cheap.
No, this I think I've told you, or I don't know with whom I've done. We'll go to some place. This we had done in Oran Mall, okay? We went to some Zara or something, okay? We bought all expensive 10k, 15k, everything we bought in one this thing. We told, please bill, I'll come in 2 minutes. And I went off out only.
Oh, seriously?
All that videos I have doing, it's all Bakchodi will help me
Wrong
do.
shop. What for that's for brown people?
Wrong shop.
Hey, boss.
Where? Fuck.
Change the camera, da, fucker. Turn the camera, da. One, none. I may have to find another.
Yeah, come, we'll see. Wait, the Porsche stopped also, huh?
Oh, yo. Black car, black nigga. I mean, black clothes.
Pant, shirt, all black. Wait, leave that. What we'll do now, no? Either before metro or after metro, we'll stop somewhere. We'll have Golgappa, bro. Many days over, Golgappa is
We
not
had
good.
on this McDonald's shitty.
That's why only to improve the taste, I need to go and eat some Golgappa. You want to go to Golu Lane?
Golar Lane, that is Golu.
Golu Lane. Golu Lane is that side. You want to go to Golu Lane?
There's nothing gold there. Mysore Sandal.
तैयार होके आइए हैं?
सोच बदलो क्रिश, सोच बदलो.
It's written तैयार होके आइए. Why will I
No, why-
become red?
exactly.
That's what. Why will I come, bro? You should tell तैयार होके जाइए, no?
There, okay, आइए.
That's what.
Some beggar will come with 1 lakh money. Go right.
Same Manyavar Mohe. That side also same Manyavar Mohe. You saw?
Wait, branch it, I don't know.
No, not.
एक गली का एक branch.
One more next to metro also is there.
Black mat finished.
Oh, nice, there this also.
Paka for that 1 lakh he's spent.
See that side also same Manyavar Mohe. This side also same Manyavar
That
Mohe.
looks different.
Both are the fucking same thing. Even next to metro also I'll show you. There also one Manyavar Mohe is there. Sometimes I tell you what, I think कि Lexus. Fuck. Sometimes I think.
So Dicky size is my room.
Sometimes I think Conjuring and all
the
that.
Mustang da.
Oi, Yerme Penta. I'm holding camera means. Sometimes I think Conjuring, Annabella, all are fail in front of these girls laughed.
Exactly. Now they came, now 3 jokers.
Come. These people are going will go up at the other side.
Exactly. Let them time. Why? Someone is whistling or something.
They are whistling at us.
Oh my god. Please observe on the.
Oi, one more Lexus. See, these people are stuck in traffic. We are not. Indirectly, we are better than them.
Exactly. We are able to move.
Come this side there. See the trees.
I'm looking at the people inside. Very much.
One Lamborghini should come there from somewhere. You told me you'll take me to UP City. You didn't take a little down.
I will.
Huh?
I will. Hey, go to that side. Amma, how do you want me to walk on the road about?
You are walking on road only from half an hour. You should tell no. I am thinking when you'll come this side. When you'll police station.
Supply depot AC.
ASC da, not ACC. Asha school. Hey, are we even coming in this correct place?
Yeah.
What the nowhere Golgappa is there? See, now you are only going that side. See, you are only walking on the road.
Now no one is there. When all guys are coming, you're
That time I'll push you off.
That's what you
See, guys are still coming. Still I called you. That's for yours. See,
That's the other side.
see that car.
Oh my God, that's the other side.
I had fired a bullet in that car, you see.
Oh, you man, whole chase
There's a hole in that car, bro. Because my bullet was so strong, no?
No, because the driver got knocked. Normal wala.
You come this side first of all. I'm telling from behind
Road is mine, dog. What you
from
saying?
behind someone will come and
It's not MG road.
they locked the road only, da. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Hey, we are the only one who's walking this side, yeah. Are we even walking correct?
Hey, this Meher is calling now. Fucking.
Tell her we bought off. Both we bought off. One we bought.
Okay, she's calling. पागल कॉल नहीं उठा सकती का क्या क्या ही लेके आ गया वो देख एक प्लेन वाला लिए और एक पेंट वाला लिए हाँ मैं अभी ले लिया मैं मेट्रो के लिए जा रहा हूँ उधर आके दूंगा तभी देखे जा रहा हूँ एक देख एक प्लेन वाला लिया और एक पेंट वाला लिया MG रोड
ओ ई कड़े बारो
आऊँगा एक घंटे में
ओ लवड़े के बाल
कॉल उठाएगा नहीं जाके भेजो जाके दिखाओ कैसे मिला हो तो ऐसे लाया हो एडजस्ट कर लो तू कॉल नहीं उठाए तेरी गलती ठीक है बाय नॉट having mistake
Now where are we going?
they want good writing some MLA camera
Why?
वही है What's
Why came I'm asking? Yeah, actually, that side full road only they sealed off.
exactly
You come this side first of all on road. You don't.
road only I'm telling no
This off ಮಾಡಿ Chan.
see
I really
Proper
think
cars will come
some
now.
VIP
You
is
see
going
the camera there?
Exactly. I'm
As
correct.
if some handsome guy.
Uh-huh.
Show the this one is called MLA da. If this police ka siren is coming, MLA.
Yeah, bro. What MLA is coming there?
It's a normal person.
Hospital, if someone is going, I think for that it is happening. Also.
Oh no.
One nice car
That
should
much
come
technology
there.
we don't have. What a flag another voting.
Hey, what? Acha. Oi. No. This is all normal car. Da. This and all even my friend will be having.
I thought some Bugatti mein aayenge.
Exactly. A more car than this though, that fellow only had no da. One Mustang he brought and he came.
Exactly.
What is this fellow coming in normal cars? That's all. Wait. Ask him Aita.
Yeah, done.
Done now.
Yeah, done.
Abe thu.
For this shit we
कट गया हमारा कट गया.
simply wasted 5 minutes. But now we could have reached metro.
Some uncle came in one Mercedes and he went
And
off.
I saw the guys. Let's see this dog. Let's see.
Who? For him, how that police and all was keeping 5 minutes wait madi. Will come. Off the गाड़ी.
What's wrong with the sound? I mean, maybe you say petrol. Mind this one, Jimmy
What?
car.
What is that? Auto?
The car name is Jimmy.
Yeah, bro. My car name is Robin. See, the metro is so far. From which stop did we come?
MG Road.
When we started, Jalali, Pina, what? We came in Pina, I think. I don't think so. Tell the order how it is.
Where?
Pina Industry.
No, first Jalali. No, from full right.
From Nagasandra.
Nagasandra, Jalali, Pina second stage,
Yeah.
Yeshwantpur.
Pina
First actually
Industry.
comes Pina Industry, okay?
Then Pina. That's all. Last
Yeshwantpur.
day.
Yeshwantpur.
Chup. Chup.
तुम्हारे का तो मिलती क्या नहीं proper है G4 team da which 4 will come I don't know
We didn't see enough cars while coming.
night proper you get about
Charan, come, we'll go to UB City. Come, tomorrow we will go.
as if
Saturday it is, many people will come holiday.
Sunday da
Sunday you will not be there, you will tell, hey bro, school is there, the homework is there, this is there, that is there.
Saturday tomorrow tuition I have
Till what
Sunday
time?
after tuition then you will take गाड़ी
What time you have?
gear put first gear
What time you have tuition?
I don't know the guy will keep as his wish as he wishes
How you also tell? No, according to my wish, I can't come today.
Bean Auto guy so staring like anything. He was like, do you want auto? Have you gone mad?
Come, we'll take auto from here till Jalali. We'll take auto from here to Jalali.
600 rupees.
You pay, you have no. So much money we saved over there.
Hey, he come down. I send the money back to Mera also.
How much you send?
For 600. Why do you do that?
What I did, you enter. Ain't a fee.
That was loud. It was actually loud.
That was not loud, that was louder. Mental. Now where are we
One
going?
more Myra. Myra.
What my Omar?
Mohe.
This only, Manyavar Mohe, this only.
Get tickets.
Go get.
Tickets.
Get. It's closed. I think we can't get tickets bro today.
We can actually get it from here.
Go. Go. Arey, go. Go, G. Oh,
We're coming Ulta or something.
I think so. Come, we'll go back. Mind your head.
We have to change the metro again. This one more bullshit.
Chha.
And now we're only going to get seat.
Where is tickets? Oh, actually, fuck.
There.
Where is tickets?
There.
Where there?